Should you buy Intel stock? At a price just under $26, Intel has a market cap of $106.5 billion. With $11 billion of cash and $38 billion of long-term debt, the enterprise value is roughly $133 billion. Meanwhile, revenue over the last 12 months is $63 billion, net income is $8 billion, and free cash flow is negative $9.6 billion. That means the company is valued at around 2 times revenue or 13 times earnings, which is not too expensive. Over the last decade, Intel had steady growth of revenue of roughly 5% per year, but revenue dropped 20% in 2022, led by poor sales of PC and server chips and higher competition. Every quarter of 2022 brought a decline in revenue versus the same quarter in 2021, and this is also reflected in the share price, which dropped roughly 50%. Intel has responded to this trouble in 3 main ways. 1, it's cut its dividend by 66% to just 13 cents. 2, it's cutting costs. Even the CEO's salary has been reduced by 25%. 3, it's reinvesting any excess cash into areas that will lead to the creation of long-term value. Making the decision to cut dividends is a tough one, but it's necessary when considering the slowdown in growth and the significant debt pile. Gross profit margin reduced from 55% to 43% in 2022, and gross profit dropped to $26.8 billion versus $43.8 billion in 2021. This leads us to an operating profit of only $2.3 billion versus $22.1 billion in 2021. So what we're looking at is a decrease in demand for Intel's products, combined with high inflation, having an impact on the company's fixed costs. Looking at this chart, you can see that Intel is still an important and dominant player in the CPU market. But what's worrying is that the market share here has dropped 10% in just 12 months. If that trend continues, Intel stock has the potential to go a lot lower. Right now, a market cap of $106 billion is pricing in around 10% earnings growth a year, but that doesn't seem likely based on current trends, and the level of debt is also a bit of a concern. We need to see the company stabilize before considering the stock, and that's why I give the stock a neutral rating. But these are my personal opinions, not financial advice, and I've got no position in Intel stock. For more detailed investing ideas, visit our website overlookedalpha.com.